Hello, I'm Janet Gardner, Principal and CEO of Waltham Forest College.
My name is Michael Morley. I am the DWP Group Director for London and Essex.
Hi, I'm Nadeem. I'm the Director of Business Innovation and Partnerships at the college.
I'm delighted to be here today talking about our partnership with DWP and the launch of the first Youth Hub, which is a collaborative project with DWP and the college working in partnership on the college site to support all young people in the area below the age of 24 into work or to upskill.
The Youth Hub that has sprung up here in the college is really innovative, and we're incredibly proud and indeed excited to be part of this new initiative, which will support many local youngsters to secure quality employment and better their lives.
Very much looking forward to supporting everyone getting on to sector-based work academies, traineeships and apprenticeship opportunities with the college.
So thank you to colleagues from Waltham Forest College. We look forward to working with you, and we look forward to together securing many people back into employment. Thank you.